And hello guys, today we are playing paint and seek, but in 15 minutes. So let's begin this game, shall we? So today we are playing paint and seek. So let's begin this game, shall we? So I'm a hider today, so you are hider. Okay guys, so it's just like the chameleon, by the way guys, and we're going to find the perfect spot to hide. So hopefully we can have a perfect spot to hide. Yeah. Remove the camera. So first thing first, shall we? I have an idea. Do the crawler, bro. Okay, the seeker, bro. The seeker has we started a round and then he quit, bro. Oh guys, let's see what I got. Oh, I got emerald, but I got so lucky, look. I got so lucky on this, bro. I have an idea. What if... Yes. So guys, so don't worry. Let's see now. Yeah, so Saturday here. I'm not Sunday here. It's gonna be the last vlogging. So next vlogging will be random. I have an idea. I'll become a wheel. Oh, this is gonna work now. Maybe here. Baby, this is perfect, bro. This is I forgot other I guess we have a space so I'll be in a good. Oh, oh my god! I'm escaping. Oh my god, we're in school. Okay. There. Oh, come on, why did I pick that? Okay, lagging in guys. Oh, that's crazy. Bro, how can he not find it? That's impossible. That's the impossible rate. Nobody's checking here. Yep, I'm surviving. How did I survive that and escape, by the way? Oh, I'm quick. How did he not find me, bro? Guys, I think we are winning this game. Yep, they're blind. Yep, they're bro. Guys, how can they not find me? Anyways, so make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. Yeah, next Saturday. I don't know. Let's do an emergency landing, shall we? Yeah. Or let's do some crazy stuff. No way! Oh, I can survive! Bro, oh my, what? How everyone that doesn't see that, bro? How everyone doesn't see that? Well, I got lucky. And anyways, So make sure you like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. So so what's our next map? Wow, it's that's big. Okay, I'm a seeker. First thing first, how can I shoot well? Guys, first thing first, I am a seeker, so log in. So log in. Yeah. Guys, I'm a seeker, guys. That's the. So I'm not leaving, bro. We are winning this game, bro. We need to do is to kill off the painters and boom, win. Hopefully we can win. Okay guys, so make sure to like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. So I know where this is put. Let's see. Come here. Stop 6 I think I know where it is. Rita, come here. Come here. Get over here. Yeah. Okay, yagging in, guys. Let's see. Ayun. Touch you. I'm getting you. Bro, choke me! Okay, you want enough, bro. Yep. That's the guy. Bro, need this guy, bro. Need a backup, bro. I'm logging in. Come on, seeker. Since this map is small, we're winning. Guys. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, good boy. What's this? Where are you? I saw you, bro. Yes, big bro. I saw something move. Kill that guy, guys! Kill that guy! We have more chance! I don't know where the guy is. Oh. Yeah! I found him! Let's go! First game and we won! Let's go, guys! Woo! Yeah, we win! Yep, I know it. We win. Okay guys, so make sure you like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more paint and stick like this. Yep, so that's a good stuff by the way. W game by the way. I see some map. Okay, what we gonna do? I'm Hydra again. Let's go. Okay, Hydra. Okay guys, logging in. Beat up Chameleon. Let's see what will become. Wow, all detailed, but okay. I think I found the hiding spot. Too brown. There are more brown. I'm doing black, bro. How can they not find me? Bro, how can he not find me, bro? Yup, he's getting suspicious right now. What's he doing? Be quiet. Be quiet, guys. Bro, he's staring at me for suspicion. How can he not see me? Wait lang. Okay, let's go and Wait, how can he not actually see me? Okay. We call it the black method. Guys, what is this? We call it the black method from the paint and sick. How can not everyone find me, bro? How big is the search here? Wait, bro. I'm not winning this game. Bro, are you there? Are you... How can I find me? How can you find me? What? Yep. There we go. Find me. I'm black, boy. I am black. How can you not see me? Bro, I am black. It's easy that you cannot see me, bro. Yeah, I got you, bro. I'm covering. Guys. How did I not die? What? Bro, what? Yo, listen, guys. Listen. Hear me out. Wow, wait, loud. By the way, hear me out. I don't know where's the brown. I remain black. And how can that do that to them? Are they blind? What? That's a luck game, bro. That's a luckiest game. Bro, we call it the black method. I'm not racist, guys. It's a black method. Yeah. We call it the black method in paint and sick. They are too blind for see me, bro. Let's do it again. No. This is perfect. Okay, bro. We started a game and later ended it very nice. Game. Instantly. Bro, how we call it the black method, guys. W black method. I'm not trying to be racist, guys, but it's a great idea to become. We call it the black method. Shall we do it again for the next round from Saturday, guys? Shall we do it? Ready. Anyways, we are harder. So log in! Yeah. So Freddy Fazbear right now. So let's see. Let's try to become the gray one. Perfect. This is the perfect spot here. So it's gray, remember. You know what? It's gray. What do you think? Okay. Please, you're ruining the game. I wanted to, bro. You're ruining the vlog. Why you want to leave? Yeah, Chameleon are now popular because of, yeah, they're funny and they're now in YouTube and they're funny, right? Yeah. So which is why we make them. But in Roblox. But they cannot see me. Okay, what this? So YouTubers do the black method. It works. And find a blind spot and then do the black thing. Yeah. First thing first, let's see. We're back in the same map again. I don't know what should I hide. Maybe a green dumpster. Maybe. Okay, maybe in the green dumpster. Yeah, that's this. Yeah. First of all, we call it the black method. So remember, it's green. So nobody sees that I am the trash bag. Since nobody used this from that one, since nobody, they never searched here, so we have to log in. Okay, bros. What is guy doing? He doesn't find me. They find me when I'm sick. But how can they find me? How can they cannot find me when I am black? Why? You guys see the black? Guys, we call it the black method. Try it on the real game Chameleon, or you have to use the Roblox one. We call it the black method. Yeah, it works every time. Find a blind spot and then hide as a black man, and later they're not gonna find him. Yeah, but it works every time. Maybe we'll try that. It works. What? Bro, it's a blind spot. I think that's the blind spot because they not search for it. So find a blind spot doesn't I died. Bro, I died. Oh well, at least we tried. Oh no! Wait, oh my god, bro. Guys, I died. Oh well, at least we tried. Okay guys, since I died in the game and then it's past 15 minutes now, so let's end here, shall we? And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs. So goodbye, stay fit, bye, and also try the black method. It works every time. Try it on the Chameleon, the real game Chameleon, or the Roblox game Paint and Seek. So goodbye guys, try the black method now. So goodbye guys.